其余的都正常，是不是 ？Hello everyone, today is my live show for Cassava flour, high quality Cassava flour. Yes, just now I said my colleague said it's mute in the live show, so I will repeat what I said just now. Today we have some things. I have some things to introduce to you. The first one is that some introduction of our company to let you know get further understanding of our company, and then is a 3D video of the high quality cassava flour to help you know how to get high quality cassava flour from raw material, from fresh cassava to the end. Yes. And if you have any questions, you can tell me, and I will answer you some questions. It's a 3 parts of our live show today. Okay. Firstly, I will tell you some introduction of our company. Yes, you can see it. There is a company name, Henan Jinrui Food Engineering. We belong to our main company. Our company name is Dongying Holdings. And then I will give you some introduction of the company profile, our team show, and project cases. We did many projects around the world, in Africa and in China and over the world, in Uganda, Venezuela, many places. So the first one, and then the last one is the equipment introduction to help you know more things about the machines we have and the machines you will have to start your business. Firstly is a company profile. Our company was established in 2011, and firstly we are a trading company, and then after these years, we grew up. We grew up with many cases with our customers together, and so that we become a factory with our own workshop. We have a factory in Jiaozuo, and our company has a comprehensive team, and has obtained over 30 products patents, a professional production and manufacturing team. We manufacturing the machines in our own factory. And you can see the picture. This is our working place in Zhengzhou, Henan, Zhengzhou. And then this picture is our company, is our factory. This place is in Jiaozuo. When you come to China, when you come to see our company, when you visit our company, you can see it. I will take you there to see how machine was made in the factory. Yes, and we have over 200 people. 100 people is in Zhengzhou, and another 100 people is in our factory. They produce the machines. And these are the pictures of our factory. And you can see our main factory. We have 3 parts for the factory. The first one is the sales department, and in the sales department we have 4 main business segments. The first one is a wasted recycling project for recycling the waste tire, and for recycling the waste plastic. And then is a cooking oil project. The cooking oil project is for maybe some peanut oil and sunflower, and in Africa most of the oil is palm oil. And then is our project is for the starch project. We did cassava flour, cassava starch, And sweet potato, in China, we usually did sweet potato starch and potato starch. And then is the sponge project. We sell the sponges to the local market like to the local market, to the United States, the United Kingdom, and over the world. And then we have some other departments to support our sales department. And we have some purchasing department. It means that if you have something you can't buy it from your local market and you trust me very well, you can call our purchasing department to buy it from you. Our customer will usually buy the generator. We can provide you with the generator, and the mixing machines from us is all from our purchasing department. And then is a manufacturing center. These people is for manufacturing the machines, to test the quality of the machines. Okay, and then it is our project. It's for starch and flour processing line. We usually have the sweet potato starch and potato starch production line, and we also can do the yam flour and the cassava flour and the cassava chips. It's both okay, and Gary. These are some pictures of our customer. This one is in Tanzania. This picture shows the project in Tanzania is a fully automatic cassava flour processing line. And this line is in Congo. It's for fufu flour. And this picture shows our customer from Ghana, and they visit our company, visit our factory. And this one is and this picture shows we set the branch office in Nigeria 2 years ago. So this is our old warehouse, the picture of our old warehouse in Nigeria. And then next department is for edible oil processing machine. Our company also can do edible oil. You can see the peanut, the palm oil, and yes, you can get crude oil from our machine and also the edible oil. You can choose according to your needs. And this picture shows the solid waste treatment and sorting plant to recycling the waste tire to unstandard diesel. And next department is metal and plastic separating machine. And next part I will show you some certificate of our company, because our machines usually import and export to Europe. And we have many Europe customers, so we have to get many certificate. And also we have many national patents. We have the national patents for the different kinds of machine. And this part I will show you, because our factory, we have the ability to process the machines by ourselves. So it means that we have many factory matching equipment, such as the laser cutting machine. We cut the stainless steel and we maybe round them to do a tank. You see it is steel plate bending machine. And these are the machines we use in our factory. When we manufacturing the machines, we will use this machine to do it, to make sure that the machine you have has the good quality. And these pictures is and these pictures shows the factory, how the factory look like. And then I will tell you some team member with you. This one is our boss. It's a chairman, Mr. Zhong. And he usually goes to the United States, the United Kingdom, and the Nigeria, the Africa, to search for more business opportunities. So if you want to have some discussion with our boss, you can go to our branch office in Nigeria. And these are the international trading teams. This is our team for the starch processing line. And also this. And certainly we also have some business segments for domestic sales department. And in our company, when we receive your inquiry, it's all because we have a strong e-commerce and IT team. They our colleagues, our friends, to advertise some requirements, some machines needs in the network, so you can contact us. And these are our engineering team. It's not all the engineering we have. We also have some engineers in Nigeria in the project, because they have to guide the installation. And these are the production team. And this part shows the project cases we've did. You can see we've did many project cases in China, Indonesia, Laos, Thailand, and the Philippines, and Nigeria. There are some sweet potato starch line in China, and most of the other project is for cassava processing. You can see there are many. I hope you can add in this line, because we are expanding our business. We are enlarging our business. And this one is 5 tons input per hour sweet potato starch project in Guizhou, China, in South China. You can see the flash drying system and the hydrocyclone. And this one is for the cutting machine and the rasper machine. And this one is 35 tons input per hour potato starch project in China. This is a very big project, because 30 tons input is a very large quantity. And this one is the cassava starch project in Indonesia. It's 12 tons input per hour, and for each hour you can get 4 tons cassava starch. For each day, it will get almost 80 tons cassava starch. So it's the outlook of this factory in Indonesia. And this one shows 20 tons input cassava starch project in Nigeria. This one is a pillar used in the cassava starch project. And this one is also the Tanzania. It's a Tanzania cassava flour project in Tanzania. It's 4 tons input per hour. And this picture shows the fufu flour. We can also do the fufu flour. Just to add some fermentation tank, you can get the fufu flour. And this one shows the feeding hopper, the belt conveyor, and the dry sieving machine. It's outside. We usually advise our customer to install this one outside the workshop, because at this stage you can put it easily, and the dust will be left outside the workshop. And this project is in Uganda. You can see it's a 4 tons input cassava flour project in Uganda. Its outlook, the steel structure in Uganda. And this picture shows some customers visit. And this one is a vice president in Sierra Leone. We cooperate with him for the palm oil project. And many customers would concern that about the shipping cost, the shipping problem. You can see it if you have if your machines can fulfill a 20-feet container, we will get the container in our factory, and then we will fill the container with your machines. We will transform the machines into the container, and there will be a camera that recording the whole procedure. And if your goods are not very enough for a 20-feet container or 40-feet container, we will pack your machines with wooden cases, so that we can make sure that your machines will be delivered well to your country. And these are some pictures for the installation. For the project, it's a very complex procedure. So you can see it's a car to install the pipes for the flash drying pipes, and also there are some pots. There are some pots for the water goes. And also this pictures is a hydraulic cyclone for the cassava starch. If you want to get a fully automatic processing line, you have to do this. You have to set up your factory and get many preparations. And then I will show you the 3D video of the cassava flour processing plant. You can see how it. You can see the whole line of this one. To understand how it goes, how it's going, and how to get cassava flour from input to output. Mhm.
Go to the cutting machines to break into small pieces, and easy for the rasper to make it to very thick. And then all the cassava we use a pump to pump to the descenders, because sometimes the soil is very thick. We need to move the soils out and make the quality better for the cassava flour. And you can see in the tank, the tank have a steer. It keeps steering for the cassava flour, and for the cassava, it will not make any hard for the process. And then use a pump to push all the cassava to the plate filter, and then to push the water out, and then the moisture for this one will go to like 42 to 45%. And then we go to a break to break because after the plate it will together, the cassava will be together. We just need to break it and go to the flash dryer. Here's the heat exchanger. The hot air will go from here and go through all the pipe to the speed for the wind is nearly 120 meters. So you can see on the video it's very slow, but in the actual working, the whole drying system time is like 2 or 3 seconds. It's all finished. And we'll go to the cyclone, and we'll go downstairs to the shaking, to the sieve. And for the cassava flour, we use 2 stage of drying sections, because the moisture is higher than usual, because the fiber is not taking out. So we need extra flash dry to make it more drier, to like a 14% moisture, for easy for us to do the storage. And then go to the cyclone and to the sieving.
This video shows the whole
sieving,
procedure from
we have
input from cleaning to packaging, and then I will give you the brief introduction and more specific introduction of the whole line.
It's more easily.
Okay, this one is for the packaging.
Production lines.
Firstly, you can see it.
And just to have a look over.
It's the layout of the of your factory, of the workshop. The machines will be placed like this, from A to the Z. And then yes, the first step is input.
First we take the
We use the trunk.
forklift to take all the cassava flour.
We use
into
the
the
trunk
hopper.
to
And the shaking will
to let
shake
the raw materials into the feeding hopper.
cassava
And at the
separately.
bottom of the feeding hopper, there's a vibration device. There's a vibration device. By using this device, the cassava can be transformed to the belt conveyor regularly.
To the belt conveyor, and the belt conveyor will take
And then from the belt
cassava
conveyor,
to next step.
there will be another
process it.
machine for the pre-treatment
Because
of the
after we
cleaning.
harvest
This
the
machine is the dry sieve
cassava,
machine.
it will bring some
The dry sieve machine is for removing the impurities, removing the impurities from the cassava, and you may get some, because you know after you harvesting the cassava, there are some dust and some leaves, and maybe some mud on it. So this one is for removing the impurities on the cassava, on the surface of the cassava.
This step is take these things.
And after we removing the impurities, the mold, then we will wash it. We will wash it to wash
And then
it
directly go
thoroughly.
to the pedal washer,
And we will use
remove
this
the
machine. This machine is the pedal washer.
soil and the other dust out. And we can see here the pedals.
Yes, the pedal is
shaking
running
and to
and
push
running.
The cassava
Is running and
to
running.
the next step.
And so that the cassava
And the
can be transformed from the input to this place.
Water is
And we usually add the water pipe at this place and that place. Then the water will come from this place to this with this direction, from up to the bottom. And the cassava, the raw materials will be transformed from this place to this place with the pedal rotating. So the water and the cassava will meet. The water current and the cassava will meet. So they will crush. They will crush with each other, so that can make sure the cassava will be washed thoroughly.
the different with the
And after that, there is another unstandard device to leak the water. And there is another pipe. This pipe is for the clean water. And after we peel it, there is a spray device to use the clean water to clean cassava again.
cassava floor.
And then there will be another belt conveyor. At this stage, we can choose some. We can set some workers here, maybe 1 or 2, to see if the cassava whether it wash thoroughly or not. If the cassava has some mud on it, you can throw it back to wash again.
Wash it very clean, and then
after washing, the next stage is for peeling. We will use this machine. It's a automatic peeling machine.
Very important for the.
And at the inside of the machine, we use the sand roller.
Cassava floor. Once you take all
the sand roller will get so hot. The sandpaper will get hot when the water sprays. So the cassava will be peeled.
Water skins out. The
very thoroughly.
Quality for the cassava flour will be very.
And the peeling rate is about 90%. Is above 90%.
Good. And then
after peel it, we will move to next stage. The next stage is processing stage, and we both know that the cassava is very big. Today I saw a picture that one cassava is for 2 meters long. So the cassava is too big, so that we will cut them into parts to help us to process it very convincingly.
The cassava will go to
So this one is a cutting machine.
Cutting machines to break into small pieces.
We cut the cassava into 3 to 5 centimeters long. And at this place it is some device to remove some mental impurities, so that we can protect the blades of next machine.
And easy for the rasper to.
Okay, and this machine is for.
After the peeling, the cassava will go to the cutting machines to break into small pieces.
And this machine we called it rasper machine. This one is to crush cassava into mesh.
And easy for the rasper to make it
so that we can get cassava slurry.
to very thick.
After we get the slurry, you can see there is a pole under the ground. So it's for the civil work you have to do after you ordering the fully automatic processing line.
And then all the cassava we use
and then through the pipes
to pump
there will be another device. This device calls the desander. This one is to remove some very fine signs in the slurry, so that we can make sure that the whiteness of the cassava flour is according to the national standard.
Because sometimes the soil is very thick, we need to move the soils out.
You can see the signs will be gathered at this place.
And you can see in the
next stage,
the tank have a steer. It keeps steering.
After we removing the male signs, this stage is for dewatering.
Hard for the process, and then use a pump to push all the cassava to the.
We'll use a filter plate dewatering machine.
A plate filter.
To squeeze out the water from the cassava slurry.
And then to push the water out, and then the
after the watering, there will be some cassava cake.
Moisture for this one will go to like 42 to 45%, and then we go to a break.
And after we get the cassava cake, the cassava cake will be transformed into next stage. Now the cake has different size, maybe big, and the cassava cake will be crushed into powder by using this machine. This machine is another hammer crusher. And after we get the powder, now the powder has some moisture in it, right? So we will use a flash dryer system to reduce the moisture content in the cassava powder.
Here's a heat exchanger. The hot air will go from here and go through
this device. The whole procedure is called flash drying system.
To the speed for the.
You can see the crushed powder will be lifted at this place. And just now the hot air come into this place, and they exchange the heat in the pipes.
Actual working,
the powder come into, and there will be some hot air in the pipes. So they exchange the heat to reduce the moisture content.
And we'll go to the cyclone, and we'll go downstairs to the shaking.
And after that, because this 3D video shows the big capacity, if your capacity is so big, maybe 12 tons input per hour or 20 tons input per hour, you have to flash it twice And this one is another flash drying system to dry it twice to reduce the moisture of the cassava powder. And for the drying system, we use the negative pressure drying system. It means that at the end of the flash drying system, there is a fan, and there is a fan in it to make sure that the pressure in the pipes is negative, so that there will be no leak through the gap between the pipes, and to make sure that your workshop will be clean. And we both know that if the powder content is very high in the room, there will be some risk to blow. And after that, there will be a sieving machine. We also have to separate some big fibers from it, because the cassava have some fibers. We cannot sure that it will be removed 100%. So we use a 10-stage sieve machine to separate the big fibers. After that, there is a fully automatic packaging machine. This is for large scale. If your scale is not so big, you can just use a small packaging machine for 1 kg to 25 kg per bag. And this is a recycling device. When the big fibers, we will use the sieving machine to separate the big fibers, and the big fibers will be put into the fine mill machine to mill it again to reduce your loss. And this is the cabinet control room, the cabinet control room. You can see the cabinet, the electrical cabinet there. It means that you can use the bottom at the electrical cabinet to stop and to start the machines by the button. Once you put the button, the machine will start to process. And there also, for the automatic processing line, you can have some monitors here to let you know whether the machine is not good, or whether the machine is broken, or whether the machine has some problem. We can see it. We can see the pressure in the tank. Okay. This is the whole procedure of the cassava flour processing plant. And after that, I will introduce each machine to you. At the cleaning stage, the equipment in cleaning section, just now I said there is a vibration device at the bottom of this one of the cassava feeding hopper. This one is for short storage of raw materials. And then is the belt conveyor. And we use this type, the U type, to make sure the cassava will not fall down from the belt conveyor. And then for the pre-treatment is a dry sieve machine for impurities removal from cassava surface. This is the machine looks like. And there are some gaps between each steel between each steel, so the impurities can fall down from the gaps. And this one is the paddle washer used for cassava cleaning and washing. You can see it. If your capacity is not big, you can use this one. This one is for single wash, and this one is double wash for the big capacity. And next stage after peeling, there will be a peeling machine. After peeling, for the processing section, we'll use a cutting machine. The cutting machine is for pre-crushing of cassava. It means that there are some blades. There are some blades in the machine. So when the blades rotating, the cassava will be cut into 3 to 5 centimeters long parts. And this blade is diamond-shaped blade, which means the blade will be more durable. Hello, Justin. You mean how much is the machine? Hello, are you there, Justin? Our machine price range from 20,000 to 200,000. It's different according to your capacity. Hello, are you there? You can tell me which machine you need, and you can leave your contact number, and I will contact you later according to your capacity, okay? And this one is a cutting machine. And this one is a cutting machine. Cutting machine is for pre-crushing of cassava. And next one is a rasper machine used for second stage crushing cassava. In this machine, there will be a rasper pot, and so that to make sure you can crush the cassava utterly. Because if you can't crush it utterly, it means that you can get more things from the cassava. Maybe some the big fibers will be leave in the cassava flour, so that will influence the quality of the finished product. And this machine is for cassava starch. And after dewatering, there will be the equipment for drying section. Just now I showed it to you. Just like I showed it to you, it's pipes and the hot air stove and some spare parts in the material in the pipes. And after that, there is a sieving machine used to separate the powder. And for the electricity control cabinet, you can see it. The electricity control cabinet is very convenient. And there are some cable braid, because this machine, our machines need electricity, so you need to get the table on your workshop. The cable on your workshop, you need to get a generator, the electricity in your workshop, so you need this to protect the cable. Hello, Justin, are you still there? Are you still there? Can you please just leave your messages, and we will contact you later. If you are not there, I will continue my introduction. Okay. Is anyone in my live room? Is there anyone? Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions for the cassava flour processing line? Because we made the high quality cassava flour. Now the cassava flour is high high demand in Africa. Do you have any questions? If there are somebody, please let me know, okay? You can let me know you are in my live room, and so that I can answer some questions for you to make you get further understanding of the Cassava floor project so that you can start soonly. Hello, anyone in my live room? No one? Is there anyone in my live room? Please let me know, okay? Okay, if there's no one in my room, I will play the 3D video again. So if you have any questions, you can just leave it. You can just leave it in the screen and we will contact you later. I wonder if there anyone in my live room. Okay. Now the video is for high quality cassava flour, how to make high quality cassava flour. And we are Dongying Group Jinrui Food Engineering Company. And the video is for how to make cassava flour, how the fully automatic processing line to make high quality cassava flour. If you have some needs, you can contact us. You can leave your question on the screen and we will contact you later to help you get more understanding, get further understanding of the cassava flour processing line. Yes, this line is for cassava flour. If you have some questions, you can just leave it and I will contact you later. I will answer your questions if I know it. At the side, I see it. Now the video is for cassava flour, the high quality cassava flour. This one is the fully automatic processing line. So if you have some capacity and you have some desire to do the cassava flour business, you can contact us to get the machines of yourself, of your own self, so that you can start your cassava flour business. And the cassava flour is for baking biscuit, for baking bread, for making spaghetti, and it's very widely used. And I think now the cassava flour is very popular in Africa. You can contact us if you want to start the same business, the cassava flour business. Hello, is anyone here to have some questions to ask about, to ask for the high quality cassava flour processing line? Is there any friend from Nigeria? Because we have a branch office in Nigeria, in Ikeja, Lagos. You can go to the Ikeja, Lagos to check our machines here, and we are now planning to set up our factory in Nigeria. In Nigeria, you can get some garri machine immediately from our warehouse. Is there anyone in my live room? Do you have some questions for making high quality cassava flour? You can just leave your questions here. Okay.
The video is very slow, but in the actual working, the whole drying system time is like 2 or 3 seconds.
If you have any questions for making cassava flour, you can just leave your question here, and I will tell you how to. I will give you some professional advices, and I will give you some professional recommends to help you to start your business on cassava flour. It's a very big, highly big amount.
The fiber is not out, so we need the extra
Hello.
flash dry to make it more dry.
Hello.
Like 14
Nice to meet you.
for easy to store.
Nice to meet you. We have a branch office. Where are you in Nigeria? We have a branch office in Ikeja, Lagos. Where are you in Nigeria?
After sieving,
Hello, can you reply my question? Are you still there? Nice to meet you, friend. Do you want to do your do you also want to do some gari business and cassava flour business? We have gari machine. We also have gari machine and the cassava flour machine and the cassava starch machine. You can contact us if you want to do this business. And our branch office is in Ikeja, Lagos. You can go there to check the machines. We have the peeling machine and the hydraulic press and the grating machine and the cassava chips machine there. It's very convenient to our friends in Nigeria. Is there another one in my live room who wants to start the cassava business? You can leave your contact number. You can leave your contact number, and we will back to you soonly to help you get further understanding for the cassava processing line, for the gari, and for the cassava flour, for the cassava starch, for fufu flour, and for RTK, and for yam flour. We can do them. All that we can do it. Nice to meet you, Daryl. Is there anyone in my live room who wants to do the gari business, who wants to do the cassava business? You can contact us. You can contact us to start your business because now is a good time. Maybe 3 months later, the big amount of cassava will be harvested after the rain season. Is there still anyone who wants to do this business? You can contact us and leave your contact number. We will contact you. We will back to you with our professional information, with our experienced cases experience, with our much cases experience, and you can start your business soonly. Hello, is there anyone? If you don't have any question, I will leave. Business in my locality. Can I get you guys to set it up? And with you can leave your contact number. But we just provided the machines. If you have the needs to do it, we just provide the machines. Which city are you in? You can start from small scale. You can start from small scale, Daryl. Because we have small scale gathering machine, and you don't have to start from the big scale. You can earn back money, and then you can you can get more machines to expand your business, your company, your business. You can leave your contact number. And maybe you can get some investors for you, because now the Gary and the cassava flour is highly demanded in Nigeria, in Africa, in Ghana, in Sierra Leone, in Congo, many places. So is there anyone? If you don't have any questions, I will back to work. I will stop this live show. If you have some friends or your family wants to this business, you can leave your contact number also, and we will back to you with our professional experiences, with our professional advices. Okay? Hello. So I will leave. Can I leave now? Maybe I will leave. If nobody answer me, I will leave. Okay? If there is no reply, no other reply, I will leave. I will leave for now. Hello, anyone here? If there's no reply, I will say bye-bye. Can I say bye-bye? Is Justin still there? Is Daryl still there? Okay, nobody. I will say bye-bye. Maybe see you next week or next month. I don't know. You can contact us, okay? You can send your inquiry to in our network. We have our own network, and you can search on Alibaba. You can also find us, and also from the WhatsApp. And remember our name, okay? Doing Holdings for cassava starch. Yes. I know it. Okay, so I will say bye-bye. Is that okay? Bye-bye, Daryl. Bye-bye. Thanks for your replying. Many thanks. Thanks for your replying. Bye-bye.